Namaste everyone, and here is our Core Joy number 2. I hope you enjoy it. So come to your mat. Oh, I'm going to take my socks off. It's a bit chilly right now, but it feels good. Alright, so come to your mat and have a seat for a moment. Take a deep breath in. Cross your legs. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Now place the hands on your belly and feel the breath going into the belly. Inhaling, belly rising. Exhaling, contracting. So we're going to be focusing a lot on the strength that comes from this energetic center known as the solar plexus. So just breathe a couple more times into the belly, and as you exhale, draw the belly towards the spine. And at the end of your next exhale, release the hands and let the breath come back to normal. And moving into downward facing dog, lift the sit bones high up, bend the knees slightly, move your chest towards the thighs, and you can paddle the feet a little bit. Start to warm up the toes, the knees, the ankle joints. And inhale, plank, and exhale, down dog. And keep moving. Inhale, plank, exhale, down dog. Inhale, plank, exhale, down dog. Last one. Inhale, plank, exhale, down dog. Now take your right hand over to the left side. Reach the right hand either to the outside of the left leg, left shin or ankle. Add a little twist. Hold that twist for a second, and then with your inhale, go back to plank. And then again, right hand to the left leg, anywhere in the leg that you can reach, add a little twist, and back to plank. Last one, twist, and now we're going to add here, one arm plank. So reach the right arm forward, and now take the hand back to the left foot, and again, reach forward, one arm plank, and down dog. Last one, one arm plank and hold. 3, 2, 1, regular downward dog. And we're switching hands, right hand over to the left leg. I'm sorry, left hand over to the right leg. Twist a little bit. Hold the twist. And then back into the plank, and then twist again, left hand over to the right leg, and back into the regular plank, and then twist again, down dog twist, and now plank on one arm plank, back to the twisting, and again, one arm plank, back to the twisting dog. Last time, one arm plank, hold, 3, the entire body's facing down, press the back of your knees up towards the ceiling, draw the belly button into, and 1, regular down dog. Inhale, plank, exhale, put the knees on the floor, push the hips back, and come up onto the fingertips, just stretching out a little bit more the arms, relaxing the back. Then let's do it again. Down dog. Inhale, this time lift the right leg up. Exhale, draw the right knee to the chest, forehead to the knee. Come up on your back tippy toe and step forward into a lunge position. Hold it here. Hold the lunge. Keep pressing the back knee up towards the ceiling. Now arms relaxed, fingers relaxed. Take the arms out to the sides, working on the back muscles. Squeeze shoulder blades together. Take the arms in line with the ears. And then lower the arms down. 2 more times. Out, arms out. Arms in line with the ears. And down. Last time. Arms out to the side. Squeeze shoulder blades. Arms in line with the ears and then down. Now let's reverse the movement. Arms in line with the ears. Side and down. Slow and controlled. Arms in line with the ears. Side and down. Last time. Arms in line with the ears. Side and down. Add a twist to the right side. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Down dog. Now lift the left leg up. Draw the left knee to the chest. Forehead to the knee. Round your spine. Come up on your back tippy toe. And then step lightly forward. Stay in the lunge position. And we'll lift the chest up just a bit. Relax your arms, the wrists, the hands. Let's do the whole movement again. Take the arms out to the sides. In line with the ears. And down. And out to the sides. Squeeze shoulder blades. In line with the ears and down. One more time. Arms to the sides. Keep looking straight down. And arms up and down. Now let's reverse the movement. Reach the arms in line with the ears. Out to the sides and down. And reach. Out to the sides. Squeezing shoulder blades together at all times. And then up and out to the side and down. Right hand to the floor. Left arm up. Twisting lunge. 3, 2, 1. Downward facing dog. Now inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Last time. Inhale, plank and hold the plank. Hold. 4. Holding 3. Holding 2. Hold 1. Lift your right leg up and hold. 4. Holding 3. Holding 2. Hold 1. Switch sides. Left leg. Hips are facing down. Tip of your nose facing down. Crown of the head forward. And lower. And downward facing dog. Nice. Now inhale. Raise your right leg up. Exhale. Right knee to the chest. Step forward. Last time. Hold it here. Now take the arms in line with the ears and hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Twist to the right. 4. Stay here. 3. We're staying here. 2, 1. Now take that bottom arm in line with the ear and hold. Twist. 4, 3. L-shape arms. 2, 1. Release. Down dog. Now take your right hand over to the left leg. Twisting dog. 3. Holding 2. Hold 1. Take the right arm in front. One arm plank. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down dog. All right, let's repeat the whole thing again. Left side. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, draw the knee in. Step lightly forward. Come into the lunge. And then take both arms in line with the ears. Avoid resting the rib cage on your thigh. Keep it off the thigh, okay? And then raise the arms up. Hold. 4. Holding 3. Holding 2. Hold 1. Right hand down. Left arm up. Twist. 3, 2. Now L arms if you can. Keep the twist. And add the arm. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Head down, down dog. Left hand reaching to the right leg. It can be thigh, lower leg, ankle, and a twist. Hold a nice twist. 3, 2, 1. One arm plank. Left arm forward and hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down, chaturanga. You can put your knees on the floor. Press it straight back to plank. Again, knees down, chaturanga, back to plank. Last one, chaturanga, hold. You can put your knees down and hold. Shoulders down and back. 3, 2, 1. Press it back to plank and downward dog. Now inhale, plank. Right forearm to the floor, left forearm to the floor. floor to the forearm plank. Hold. Belly button in and create lots of space between the shoulder blades. Now take your right knee to the right arm. Hold. Keep your right foot off the ground. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back. And lower your body all the way down. Sphinx pose. Press the tops of your thighs down. Point your toes back. Lengthen the front of your spine. 3. Holding 2. Hold 1. Back into the forearm plank. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to turn to the side for the side forearm plank. Ready? Side plank on the forearm. You can keep the top foot in front of the bottom foot. Lift up. So squeeze the bottom waistline and breathe. Now top elbow and knee moving together. 5 and extend. 4. The option here is to put your bottom leg down. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. Hold it. 4. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides right away. Hold. And move the elbow and knee together. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Arm and leg away from each other. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the forearm plank. Oh my goodness. Hold it. 4. Hold it. 3. Holding 2. Hold 1. Lower your body down. Back into the Sphinx pose. Pull the floor towards you. Move the chest forward. Lengthen the front of your spine. You can pull your belly button gently in to support the back. Take one more breath in. And exhale. Release all the way down. Now take the right arm in line with the ear. Actually both arms, but we're going to focus on one side. So right leg, left arm coming up and hold. Pull your entire abdominal wall towards the spine and press your pubic bone down. Right hip or both hips actually stay on the floor and come down and switch sides. Press both hips down, belly button in, lift the chest, hold. 4, holding 3, holding 2, hold 1. Switch it again. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Relax here for a moment. Take a deep breath in. And let it all out. And then moving to Cobra. You can continue with the Sphinx or hands under the shoulders and come up to Cobra. Hold. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Come into hands and knees and downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the heels high up. Exhale, press your heels gently down. And you can do a vinyasa here or just stay in down dog. I'm going to go for a vinyasa. Chaturanga, up dog, down dog. And come to sitting. Once you're in a seated position, we're moving into the seated boat pose. Hold it. 4, 3, Lift your legs straight up, lower the head down. Hold. Breathe into the belly. And reach up and open. Reach up and open the legs. Reach through. Again, reach up, open the legs and reach through. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it open. Hold and lift the tailbone. Hold and tighten your pelvic floor muscles. 3, 2, and 1. Come back and lower the head all the way down. Now take your arms out to the sides. Bend your knees and lower the legs over to one side. Hover without letting the legs go all the way down. Extend one leg and bring it in. Go over to the other side. Extend and bring it in. Now you can continue like this. Roll, extend one leg or extend both legs. Bend the knees and come back. Okay? So go to one side, extend one leg or both legs. Hover, bend the knees and come back. One more time. Go to one side, extend the legs or just one leg. Bend the knees. Come back. Last one. Go to one side, extend the legs, hover. Bend the knees and come back. And draw the knees to the chest. Good. Place your feet flat on the floor. Let's move into bridge pose. It's not a very high bridge, just enough that you can feel a little bit of a stretch through the front of the body. Hold in 3, hold in 2, and 1. Come down and relax. All right, that was it for our core. Namaste, everyone.